on this lens, it can be some kind of dodgy teenagers are on their phones too much. Infomercial.
That's out of focus now.
Let's hope mine's any good.
Yeah. Let's hope mine. Oh, I remember we had that little fight in that bus.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we need to do that. I've still got the footage from that.
Hey! Do you want to go, Juv? Juv? Do you want to go?
Oh, you think, mate?
Do you want to go? Do you want to go?
Think! Oh, this is getting serious, mate. This is getting... We'll do it with Toby this time.
Redo it, yeah.
We have returned home.
Oh, stay there, Joe. Oh, yeah, I got you
Finally.
in the background in focus.
Oh, man.
That's nice, man.
I mean, I wasn't exactly going to get out, was I?
No. Cheers.
Thank you.
I gotta say, it does feel good to be back.
Oh,
Look how nostalgic that is.
boys, we're home.
Guys, look at the sign.
It just looks nice. Look!
Oh, that's very intimidating. Oh no. What's happening here?
Ikea vlog is quite a good formula because it gives you like 2 or 3 hours.
Yeah.
Just be creative.
Vlog
Take
feed,
some
vlog feed.
Vlog feet.
It's hard to get your
Vlog
feet.
feed.
You should probably be going for Ben. He's further away.
Yeah, I'll go for Ben. I've changed
Yeah,
to Ben.
I can quite easily get both of you if I go there.
I'm just going to be
We
going
must
for all
look
of them.
so cool.
I'm just going for all of them in the middle.
We must
Walks
look
into the road.
We must look so cool.
Yeah, we look stupid still.
No, we don't.
Oh, look at it. It's beautiful.
When you have something like this, you don't look stupid. We're filming the shots of us leaving now. Just play that in reverse and it'll look like I arrived.
Are you ready to explore Ikea?
No, I don't think I'll ever be ready. Oh, look at them. That's a Toby Webb right there.
Are you... What do I say?
Something good for the vlog.
Something good for the vlog.
We got right. I think we're going this way.
That way?
Yeah.
Yes, it says that way.
Well, that's that door there.
It's lying.
Oh, look at them emerging into Costa's light. Not Costa.
Costa?
Costa.
Costa's on your mind.
Costa is always on my mind.
Please tell me we're going there later. Okay, I got an idea. Ready?
Can you rub that in for me?
Oh my god.
Bit dodgy.
That's going to be some weird fish, I think, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is our secret weapon.
Yeah.
Oh, that's satisfying.
Ooh.
How'd you put it back up? Oh, that's very nice.
It's like that song.
How much are we talking?
Blinded by... That's not that bad.
£25.
Can you tell my camera's on? I'm just kind of thinks I'm filming.
No.
What was that?
No, mate. You don't know our history.
We're regulars.
Oh, this was still out.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it?
Still hands.
You still got it.
Still hands. They got an iPad mini.
Oh, this is very nice.
I wouldn't touch that. That's COVID and lots.
It's empty.
You had to do that.
It says our wedding on it.
We've got honeymoon. Those are always a bit risque. Honey, I'm home.
Hiya, how you doing?
Are you working on the iPad?
I'm working on the new latest edition. Ooh, I like the shirt.
Thank you very much.
Very snazzy.
Are you looking at iStore?
Should we have a sit down?
Sure thing. Productive day?
Not bad, thanks very much.
Drink. Let's drink. Actually full. Yeah. It's its own wine.
Please, pour it.
Dry bubble and apple lingen. Pretty nice. The new bottles then.
Thanks for
I
pouring
told
it.
you not to hold it like that, it warms up the wine.
Green. No. Is it in this box? Damn it. They don't have to train. Damn it.
Yeah, they knew you were coming.
So, welcome to IKEA Part 2. Second
Dire
vlog.
times.
It is dire times. Why did we come back to IKEA, guys?
Why is the overall question in life? Why do anything at this stage?
What is life when you think about it?
perpetual darkness. This vlog is taking a dark turn, you know? It's got a bit dismal.
I mean, you might as well watch because you've only got one life, haven't you? So if you don't watch this video, then you'll never watch it in your existence. That's quite a depressing thought.
Yeah. Reincarnation, though. You could come back as a...
Yeah. And that obviously extends to kind of subscribing and liking and all the rest.
Oh yeah.
Great. No. COVID now.
COVID.
We're screwed.
It's been nice knowing you.
Stand by. Oh. Where's he gone?
Look how cute those are. They're cute.
You gonna buy them? £3, mate.
What are they though?
They're chairs.
What do you do with them?
You sit on them.
Ben, you need some furniture?
That is a nice lamp.
Oh, where are we going? We've got craft club at Wednesday at 4. Yoga class, 45. We've got a packed schedule. That's the sort of thing
It's
that
not
goes...
bad. Brilliant.
That's the thing that goes in a...
Look at that thing.
A folder, you know?
It's fantastic.
A folder
It goes in the
to
loft,
remember.
It's experimental.
I have shoes for every occasion. My
So
garden
tell me, Joe,
parties.
what's the occasion you might wear those?
My garden parties. Picking up the kids on a sporty vacation. And work.
Work?
That's why there's 2 of them.
What do you do for work?
No joke.
Oh, that was mad.
Because you can buy it in Home Decoration Marketplace. But they probably wouldn't have that in it. It's artsy, you know, there's some passion.
Had to get the panda. Look at that. Look
Yes.
at that.
It's a Gordon Ramsay. Look at that! Oh, we're going walking over to Costa first?
Oh wait, it's that way, isn't it?
No, you go over the bridge.
This way.
It's round the side, isn't it? Oh.
Cheers.
Yes, thank you. Toby, it's still on the bus. Oh. This has got Corona on it.
He's got a panda.
This has got Corona from it.
I don't actually want it. It's a gift for you, Joe.
Oh, £10.
Jeez.
Do you have the receipt?
Sell it and sell it. We haven't got time when you go to Tesco, have we?
No. I haven't
Joel
really-
doesn't
I'm gonna
have
get
time.
some fizzy drink.
Get your fizzy drink.